它是肯定的有人传人，一个在武汉是有这样的肯定的一些证据，同时在广东。
Since the novel coronavirus was confirmed highly contagious from human to human in January, China has taken resolute measures in strong and swift response to the virus outbreak by applying massive lockdown on Wuhan, the once epicenter of the deadly contagion.
People inside Wuhan could not leave Wuhan, and people outside Wuhan couldn't enter Wuhan. So such measures which may seem uncomfortable or extreme have to be taken for the larger good of the people and for the larger good of the country.
The mobilization has proven effective over a stunning short period of a couple of months to bring the virus under control.
And as you know now, the outbreak in China is on the decline, and there is a significant decline. And this is because of the government's leadership and at the same time the cooperation of the people of China.
The Associated Press on March 5th published an article saying public health experts around the world agreed that the Chinese experience has bought other countries time to prepare and knowledge to better understand the nature of the virus. The Economist magazine also said China's experience holds 3 important lessons: to talk to the public, to slow the transmission of the disease, and to prepare health systems for a spike in demand. Many say it is impressive that since the strict restriction on people's movements was put in place in Wuhan and other cities in China, people have been staying indoors with the utmost respect for the government's guidance and their hallmark perseverance and optimism.
So I think that that is very important, because when you have a people-centric system and the state, the party and the people are working hand in hand in harmony, then people do not have to worry about basic needs.
China's political resolve and openness and transparency in updating information have protected the Chinese people and thus gained their strong support, which is key to a complete win in the tough war against the epidemic. A list of effective and targeted measures also have been taken in compliance with Chinese government's resolute decision. Medical supplies in much need have been greatly ensured. Amid the epidemic, China strengthened its mask supply chain. China also emphasized efforts in developing test kits for the virus. So far, a total of 40 institutions can offer 24/7 testing for COVID-19 in a large scale in Beijing. Chinese scientists have been dedicated to advancing research. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, more than 40,000 medical personnel from across the country had been dispatched to Hubei province.
And I think the biggest heroes are those nurses and doctors who gave up their family, who put their life beside them.
Wuhan has built 86 designated hospitals and 16 temporary hospitals with more than 60,000 beds.
疫情比上次还是严重，病例多得很。是7年以前，在中国这个卫生医疗条件已经发展的很多很好，反应也可以比较快，比较好。
Virus knows no borders. China has received strong support from all over the world. To date, leaders of over 170 countries and heads of more than 40 regional and international organizations have expressed support for China via various means. In return, China has no hesitation to share all the information about the new virus to the world and provided a window of opportunity to stem its spread.
The Chinese government, as from the very first moment, has been very open in sharing the data. And the openness in return of the whole world to share the data and what we have will be a major result and will contribute to solving this issue.
We have been communicating and working with colleagues in China from the beginning. They have participated in all of our teleconferences across all of the different disciplines.
The experience of China, the Republic of Korea, Singapore and others clearly demonstrates that aggressive testing and contact tracing combined with social distancing measures and community mobilization can prevent infections and save lives.